ni Christ tsaka kay Pontius Pilate. Paano naman yung non-believers, paano natin ma-encourage or target market din ba natin yung mga hindi naniniwala kay Cristo? Paano? Paano natin sa encourage na manood ng play?
I'll take this question. The good thing about this is not a religious play. This is not a cenaculo. This is really a musical play about the story of the trial and crucifixion of Jesus Christ from the perspective of Pontius Pilate. Whether you're a Christian, a Catholic, or an atheist, you would see the relevance of the story to today's society. In fact, we're not gonna preach anong dapat yung paniwalaan. We want the question that we're gonna pose during the play to be a question that you will answer yourselves. Kasi yung pagsagot, or at least the journey of the search for the truth, is really rooted on what are your guiding beliefs. So whether you have a set of beliefs that are of religious nature, or whether you have a set of beliefs that are more societal in nature, how is your search for the journey, how is your journey for the search of the truth guided by these beliefs? So, kung natatakot kayo dahil Pilato. Kaya ngayon, actually, yung flip side naman nito, maraming mga religious people na sabi nila, ano Pilato, ayoko panoorin yan, Holy Week pa naman, di ba? About sa kay Pilato nagpapako kay Jesus. I guess, amidst a sea of the, our favorite remakes of musicals, the much-awaited jukebox musicals, and this, at least quarter 1 and quarter 2, I guess the plea here is to give us a chance before you probably say, this is not for me. Because this is really, I can't tell you the whole story. If we have time, we can sit down. I would be able to show you that this is not really about religion. This is not really about belief. This is not really about what is your leaning towards the political aspect. It's really about the question about the journey for the search for truth and how is yours guided by